Your business runs on data, but what if your data is holding you back? Organizations today struggle with inconsistent data, manual processes, and disconnected systems, leading to delays, errors, and poor decision-making. Introducing iDMX, Neuvays' Intelligent Data Management Suite, built on SAP BTP and powered by Generative AI. iDMX transforms how enterprises manage data by delivering end-to-end master data governance and automation. Across industries like retail, manufacturing, consumer goods, and pharma, iDMX solves critical data challenges. It eliminates data duplication and inconsistencies. It reduces dependency on manual effort and human errors. It ensures compliance with governance and audit standards. It enables faster data-driven decision-making. With iDMX, organizations achieve they get clean, trusted, and business-ready data. They achieve faster processing and improved operational efficiency. They reduce costs and improve compliance. They gain a scalable foundation for AI and analytics. iDMX is where data meets intelligence and governance meets automation.